Today, we practice the breath work for meditation for your nervous system regulation. Stop trying to meditate. Most people fail in meditation because people think meditation is a task. But what if I told you that meditation is a consequence of your energy centers balanced, your five elements balanced. When energy is balanced, the meditation becomes a consequence. It happens naturally. So, in today's practice, we'll move from effort into effortlessness, the effort of fire element to the effortlessness, the meditation of space element. And stay with me until the end, and I'll show you how to engineer this state of silence automatically, where the meditation becomes a consequence. Welcome to the School of Breath. Today, we focus on the quality of your breath called Sukshma, subtle breath. In this breath work for meditation, for your nervous system, we're not just focused on relaxation, but we are working on and refining your physiology. We are focused on the quality of your breath. We focus on how the breath comes in and out without effort. Today we start with the fire element. Then we slowly go through the air element, water element, and eventually we reach the space element where meditation becomes without effort. The goal of today's breathwork practice is to get your breath to be invisible. And when the breath becomes invisible, the mind has no choice but to be still. And that's the state of meditation. Alright, so we begin with the fire element, Kapalbhati Pranayama, the breath of fire. We remove the stagnant energy and we wake up the prefrontal cortex. The second one we go into is Bhastrika Pranayama. With Bhastrika Pranayama, we go in circular motions of the breath, we oxygenate the blood, and we go deeper into changing the mitochondria. Then we go into the yogic breathing and focus on the air element. And we focus on your vagus nerve activation. And eventually we go into Nadi Shodhana Pranayama to balance the solar and lunar channels of our bodies. And finally we go into the space element, Sukshma. Sukshma is the subtle energies, and we go into guided meditation and feel this subtle energy in the body. We'll start with the breath of fire with 30-second breath hold. Inhale fully. Exhale fully. Inhale halfway. Exhale fully, holding the breath out 15 seconds. Long breath in, holding the breath in 30 seconds, engaging the root chakra. Beautiful. Allow the breath to come out in normally. Sit in meditation. Allow your body to acclimate to the slow, long, deep breaths. Beautiful job, my friend. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, now we go into Bhastrika Pranayama. We pump this energy we created up through the spine, through different chakras. Inhale fully, exhale fully. Both inhales and exhales are active processes. Inhale, exhale fully, holding the breath out 15 seconds. Pull the perineum muscles up, pull the diaphragm up. Inhale, holding the breath in 40 seconds now, engaging the root chakra. If you cannot hold the breath, just inhale a little bit more. Hold again. Beautiful. Allow the breath to come out in normally. Again, sit in meditation. Allow your nervous system to get accustomed to the slow, long, deep breaths. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends, now we go into the diaphragmatic breathing. We elongate the exhale and we bring your nervous system into parasympathetic nervous system mode. Your rest and relax. So again, inhale 6, hold 3, exhale 9. Inhale 6, hold 3, exhale 9. Inhale 6, hold 3, exhale 9. Inhale 6, hold 6 now. Exhale 9. Inhale 6, hold 6, exhale 9. Beautiful. Last time. Inhale 6, hold 9. And exhale 9. Very slowly allow the breath to come out. And now again, we'll sit in meditation 30 seconds. Allow the breath to become slow, long, and deep. Beautiful. Slowly open your eyes. All right, my friends. Now we convert this energy we created into our intuition. We balance the masculine and feminine through alternate nostril breathing. All right, coming into Vishnu Mudra, inhale 6 left. Hold 3. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 3. Exhale left 6. Inhale left 6. Hold 6. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 6. Exhale left 6. Inhale left 6. Hold 9. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 9. Exhale left 6. One last round. Inhale left 6. Hold 12. Exhale right 6. Inhale right 6. Hold 12. Beautiful. Exhale left 6. Allow the breath to come in, out normally, and sit in your Akasha Mudra and listen to the guided instructions meditation. Now, let's step from effort into effortlessness. Nothing to do, nothing to change. Let the breath breathe itself. Observe the inhale to pause and the exhale. Rest here. Feel the body. No irritation. no tension. Energy aligned. Just the breath. Just this moment. Be here. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, just simply observe your body, observe your energy. You have moved from high alert phase to deep presence. This state is not accidental, but you engineered it. And that's the state of meditation. Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free Prana Activation ebook and guided pranayama meditations. The link is in the description below. If this session helped you feel calmer and more connected, you'll love the holistic membership. It gives you complete access to our 9-week Prana series and all 9-day breathwork and meditation courses from the School of Breath. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play. Let's take the next breath of our evolution together. Join the membership and start your prana journey today. I hope you got a little value from this breath work and meditation. If you did, make sure you send this video to a loved one who can also get the meditation benefits in their life. Until next time, my friends, my name is Abidugal. Thank you for tuning into the School of Breath. Namaste, peace, and love.